Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to discuss something about the root words that will help students about vocabulary and reading academic text. So if you understand root words, you can easily guess the meaning of many difficult English words. This is why root words are very helpful for students of English language, literature, and linguistics. If we begin with the simple question that what is root word actually? So the root word is the most basic part of word, the most fundamental part of the word. Or in Urdu, we say the mada, like the basic form of the base form of the word, any word. It carries the core meaning of the word and cannot be broken down into smaller parts or meaningful parts. So it cannot be, parted. So that is a root word actually. In other words, many English words are built from a root words. If you add prefix and suffix, then so many root words have different meanings. The addition with this addition of prefix and suffix. The root word, suppose if we say the spect, SPECT, means to look or to see. To look or to see. From this root word, we get different words. For example, inspect. So inspect, respect, spectator, spectacle. These all words have the same idea. Which idea is that to look or to see, or seeing or something, or looking something. So, in this way we can understand. Suppose when the root word is kind of, is the word spect. So spect refers to look something or to see something. So in this way we have so many words in which this root word comes. So the other root word is like there are so many I'll be discussing later on. So why these root words or root words are important. So if you understand root words, that will help you in different ways, and there are three major ways in which it helps you to understand or to accumulate vocabulary, especially the academic text and understanding of language and literature. So the first one is it improves your vocabulary. The second one is it helps us or readers guess the meaning of unfamiliar words. Third is it helps students in reading academic texts and in literature. So these are the three basic, the fundamental benefits of understanding or learning root words. For example, if you know the root word bio, so the word bio, the meaning of bio is life. You can easily understand words like biology, biography, biodiversity. So the word bio refers life. So in this way, you can understand so many words in which this root word bio comes. Okay. And apart from that, even if you see a new word, you can often guess the meaning. And the third thing is the common root words. And the examples, like if we take that root word port, P-O-R-T, normally we say that is portable. So here the suffix is added, able, portable. So something which is carryable. So the root word port means to carry something. Suppose other word is transport, to carry from one place to another place. Export, to carry goods out of a country. Portable, something that can be carried easily. So I told you earlier. Suppose if we take another example of root word script, SCRIPT, script. This root word means to write. For example, describe, to write about something; manuscript, a written document; prescription, written instruction. Normally, it happens when we go to doctor to get checkup, and then doctor suggests something for in terms of medication. That is subscription. So that is written in formal written instruction to to follow. So the other root word, if we take another example, graph, graph, graph. The root graph means to write or to record. For example, autobiography, writing one's own life. So here the word graph, phi, graphy, graphy. So the word graph here is a root word. So it talks about something about writing. So autobiography means writing about one's own life. Biography, writing about other person's life. Geography, writing about the earth. So it all about writing. If we take another example, the word chron, chron, root word chron. The root word chron means time. Example, chronology, the order of events in time. Synchronized, chronized means something happened at the same time. So collectively, parallelly. Chronic, something lasting for a long time. So these all different words referring towards the time. So the root word chron means something about time. Uh, Root words in literature and language study, I mean, they are very important because they help for example, a student of English literature, they read a lot, and they have different tasks and different assignments, and they go through the complex text. So in this regard, root words are very helpful for them to understand the meaning of words. For example, the Greek root words mimesis. That word basically discussed by the philosopher Aristotle, which refers to imitation. Imitation is an art. That particular word actually he has discussed in the definition of tragedy, in which he shows that the imitation or the mimesis is not bad thing or the copy. It is actually a kind of art. So understanding such root words help students grasp the deeper meaning in literary theories. So therefore, root words are not only important for vocabulary, but also for understanding literary concepts and academic languages or academic language. So if I conclude that about the root word, a root word is the fundamental part of a word that carries its main meaning. By learning root words, students can expand their vocabulary, and apart from that, understand difficult text, complex text, and improve their reading and writing skills. So whenever you learn a new word, I would suggest that try to identify its root. So this will help you understand many other related words as well. So this brings me to the end of the lecture. If you found this lecture helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more lesson on English language and literature. So see you next time. Thank you very much.